This university is the number one in the curriculum. Please try to plan, please try to visit any other university in the websites. At the same time, the placements activity, the training activity, and see that in the even program, today program is also. Now any university starts sometime in the, maybe the evening time, maybe 7 to 9, it is a little bit problem. That's why we can start with the morning to evening, completely the annual day program kind of thing. The next time, I'll assure you, the programs are not for one time. It is the one academic year. The programs may be 2 times. Start sometime in the November or December is the winter season, and same at the fall. The universities in the foreign countries or universities in the IITs or NITs, they got in the spring and the fall semesters. Now spring semester fest, it called the spring fest and fall fest, a summer fest and spring fest. We need to conduct the 2 fests for the next year onwards for the what the batches has been available in the campus now. See that in the other activities, I think this is the day not for the speeches, this is the day not for the academic advisors, this is the day not for the curriculum and design and everything we need to discuss, but this is the only for the enjoyment. My sincere student, please try to remember this one